by what my spirit tells me to say, you know. Sometimes on this channel, I talk more on deeper topics on this one. This channel and my other channel, Love Marlene 411, I talk about deeper, heavier things. You know, I talk about, on this channel, I talk about, you know, suicide and depression and feelings of worthlessness and abuse and domestic violence, and I talk about heavier things over here. And then my other channel, Love Marlene 411, I talk about, you know, podcasting about the journey of loving, of our love in general, love of yourself, the love from your parents, healing your inner child. So that channel over there. And then my other channel, Marlene Motivates, I talk about motivational quotes, motivational thoughts, and mindset shifting. So every channel has its purpose. And then my other channel, Life with Marlene, I show my life. You know, some days I have my good days, some days I have my very bad days, and I'm not afraid to show either. I mean, I usually have more good days than bad, because I make a choice. It's not that my life is going that way, but I make a choice when I wake up. I make a choice to say, I choose to be happy. I choose to overflow with the abundance, because in my endurance, I will testify to the goodness of God. Thank you, everybody, so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. Miss Jackie says, Jeremiah 29:11, my favorite, says, I know the plans I have for you. We must understand so that we can move forward. Yes. I love that. I love that. And I want you all to know, you all have value. You all are somebody important. So if you have a friend, make sure you tell your friends that you love them, that you appreciate them, and they're valuable to you. Remember, to have friends, you have to be a friend. So show your friends appreciation. Show them some love. Show them some consideration, you know. But don't forget about yourself and being your own friend. Be your own friend. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, I'm valuable. Yes, I am. I'm valuable. Little old me. I'm valuable, and you are. You are valuable. Thank you guys so much, every single one of you, for tuning in. I really appreciate, shout out to all my mods. Shout out to everybody who supports me on this channel. Not one of you goes without my notice. I appreciate every single one of you. And I know every single one of us is going through a struggle. And whatever it is that you're struggling with today, I hope some of the weight has been offloaded from you. Just knowing that you're enough. Just knowing that you have a purpose. Don't ever give up. Ever, 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 ever. Don't ever give up. Make a choice to thrive. Make a choice to love yourself. And make a choice to be your own best friend. Thank you guys for tuning in. You tuned into the Marlene Saunders Show, where we have real talk, real conversations, and you're welcome to it. If it's your first time here, hit the like, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notifications, and I'm asking for, what did I say? 10 people. If there is 10 people that would be willing to swap a 6-hour playlist with me, I sure would appreciate it. I'm trying to work on my watch time before I get to my 3,000 watch hours. I think right now I have like 815 over here, so I got quite a ways to go, but I got to work on it. And to all my content creators, I know this is a hard thing to be a content creator. Keep your head up. Keep going. You can do it. Be your best. Give them your best. Every day, give them your best. Oh, thank you, Jennifer. I really appreciate it. And Bella, I'm on your, I'm going to start another 50-hour playlist. Yeah, for you. So thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Everybody, keep your head up. Be positive. Be your own friend. And respect yourself. Bye, guys.